In this video, you'll learn how to create a knowledge base in Confluence in just a few minutes, so you can organize information and empower your team with self-service answers. First, open your browser and sign in to your Confluence account at Atlassian.com. Once you're in, click on the Spaces option in the top menu, then select Create Space to start your knowledge base. Next, choose the knowledge base template from the available space templates. Confluence offers a pre-built structure designed specifically for knowledge bases, including how-to articles, troubleshooting guides, and frequently asked questions sections to help organize your content. Now, name your space. Give it a clear descriptive title like Company Knowledge Base or Customer Support Hub. Add a short description to explain its purpose, then click Create to launch your knowledge base. After that, start adding content. Use the Create button to add new pages, organized into categories like product guides, troubleshooting, FAQs, and policies. Use Confluence's rich editor to format text, add images, and embed videos. Once your content is in place, customize the space's homepage. Add a search bar, featured articles, and links to popular topics. This makes navigation easy for your team and visitors looking for quick answers. And that's it. Your knowledge base is now live in Confluence, ready to help your team and customers find answers fast.